Hello, it's Kuku here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my honey garlic chicken. I enjoy Asian food, and honey garlic chicken is one of those dishes that I resort to when I'm craving Asian food and I can't go out to get it. Feel free to use whatever chicken part you want, preferably a part that has bones. Like I use drumsticks for this recipe. You can use the back or the thigh as well. So sit back, pay attention, and watch how I make this delectable dish. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you really want to enjoy this recipe, please use original honey, just because it gives the chicken an authentic flavor and it is actually healthy. For this marinade quantity, I use about 8 to 10 chicken drumsticks, which typically is somewhere between 2 to 2.5 pounds of chicken. Now guys, the key to getting well marinated meat that tastes really good, is to marinate your meat for at least 3 hours. Typically, I actually marinate my meat overnight, so I give it more time to sit in the spices and absorb all the wonderful flavors of the marinade. And if you do that, you're gonna get meat that tastes so much better than if you had marinated it for a little amount of time. So the sauce reduction and chicken basting step is optional. You could just throw all your marinade over the chicken and bake it straight for 15 minutes. But I do this so that my chicken can have extra moisture and to just make it look more pleasing to the eyes, because the extra sauce and the glaze gives the chicken a very shiny and nice polished look. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet done so, and share this video. Share it with your friends and family, share it on your social media network. You never know who might be blessed today by watching this video. So thank you again, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye for now.